Arepas Rellenas Venezuelan Cornmeal Patty. Ingredients: 1½ cups masarepa. 1½ cups water, plus more is necessary. 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. Kosher salt. 2 teaspoons butter. Fillings as desired, such as cheese, beans, shredded chicken, or pulled pork. Directions: adjust oven rack to middle position and preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine masarepa, cheese, 1 cup water, and 1 teaspoon vegetable oil in a medium bowl and knead with hands until a dough is formed. Take a small amount and flatten it between your palms if the edges crack. Knead in more water a tablespoon at a time until dough is supple and smooth but not sticky. Season dough to taste with salt, then cover and set aside for 5 minutes. Divide dough into 4 even pieces and roll into balls. Working on a wooden cutting board or a regular cutting board with a sheet of plastic wrap or parchment paper on top of it, flatten each ball down to a disc about 4 inches in diameter and ½ inch thick. Melt butter in a 12-inch cast iron or non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Add arepas and cook, moving them around the pan and rotating them occasionally, until first side is charred in spots and a dry crust has formed, about 5